So, types of computer systems. There are several types of computer systems. Una, PC, personal computer. A PC is a computer designed to meet the needs of one person and usually refers to IBM-compatible computers. PCs are found in many businesses and are popular for home use. So, yan yung mga nabibili ng mga desktop. Sample dito kasi desktop to eh. May cathode ray tube yung nasa picture tapos may isang keyboard. O pwedeng ano din yan. IBM-compatible computers yung mga gawa ng Lenovo. Asus kung nagbuo sila ng sarili ng desktop computer. Fujitsu. Yan. At Samsung, iba pa ng mga kilalang brand na nagbubuo ng mga naglalabas ng model nila ng personal computer. Macintosh, ano naman yan? Macintosh computers are found in many homes and are very popular in the graphic publishing and multimedia industries. Ito ito yun eh. Sila naman nito eh. Yung mga first gawa nila nun. Saka dun to minarket ng Apple dati. Panggawa ng desktop graphic publishing sa multimedia industries. The Macintosh was the first home computer that offered a graphical display. So sila yung may unang GUI, graphical user interface. So pansinin niyo yung appearance ng Macintosh, yung mga unang Macintosh. May speaker na dun, ayun. Bandang ilalim ng cathode ray tube. Tapos page 8 pa rin tayo, mainframe. A mainframe is a computer that can process and store large amounts of information and support many users at the same time. A terminal consisting of a keyboard and monitor is used to input and output information on a mainframe. Set-top box. Bumalik na naman ngayon sa sa uso uli. Marami nang manufacture ng set-top box ngayon, yung mga Android box naman, di ba? So a set-top box is a computer device that connects to your television. Set-top boxes allow you to use your telephone line or television cable connection to browse the internet and exchange electronic mail on your television. So yung mga sinasabi na pwede mong gawin na smart TV, yung mga karaniwan yung LCD TV. So set-top box yung kino-connect ngayon doon. So chapter 1 tayo, Introduction to Computers. A typical computer, makikita natin sa page 9. So pansinin natin mabuti yung images class na nakalagay dito. A typical computer system consists of several parts. Computer case. A computer case contains most of the major components of a computer system. Ito, yung pinaka-left. Yan, makikita nyo. Tower case pa nga yung pinapakita rito eh. Monitor. A monitor is a device that displays text and images generated by the computer. Printer. A printer is a device that produces a paper copy of documents you create on the computer. Modem. Short for modulator. Demodulator yan. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng modem. So, dito, yung modem na gamit dito, yung old type na modem pa. 56 kilobyte na PAX modem pa to. A modem is a device that lets computers communicate through telephone lines. A modem can be found outside or inside the computer case. So, yung type na to, class? Outside to, di ba? External modem. Meron din kasi ang dating internal modem na kinoconnect sa PCI slots ng computer. Tsaka yung modem na gamit dito, kinoconnect to, dial-up modem pa to, yung ganitong type. Yung mga modem na bago ngayon, kung DSL, di ba, ang tawag, connect mo broadband, connect mo using PLDT o kaya Globe, by through wires yun, telephone wires. And then, may mga na yun, enhanced pa yun. Mga all-in-one na yun, meron ng kasama na switch, na pwede siyang switch, pwede siyang hub, pwede siyang router. Then, describe ko naman sa inyo yung mga difference nun sa ng isa't isa. So, keyboard, ano pa yung makikita natin dito? A keyboard is a device that lets you type information and instructions into a computer. So, QWERTY keyboard yan. Ito yung mouse, kulay white yung mouse na pinakita sa image. A mouse is a handheld device that lets you select and move items on the screen. So, pag desktop computer, kailangan talaga to para ma-select natin yung mga icons, diba? Yung mga applications, yung para makapag-copy paste tayo, para makapag-highlight. Okay, ganito pag sa pag IBM compatible, yun nga, Windows PC, saka sa mga Macintosh PC, kailangan ng mouse. Wala pang touchscreen to, itong version ng computer na pinapakita rito. So, yung mouse na nandito, handheld device siya, that lets you select mo sa move items on the screen. Kasi pag sa laptop naman, meron kang touchpad o kaya trackpad na sinasabi para doon ka magse-select sa magmo-move ng items. Inside